Embracing change can be one of the hardest things for human beings to endure. But change is also the fundamental root of an evolving species. Without change, progress would not be possible. And the world without progress is a species that is failing. So embracing change is not a form of imitation. Rather, it means power of resistance and assimilation. A great man once said, "I'd rather embrace change than to die." Well, I choose to live. What about you?
Embrace the freshness.